Sometimes life throws you a curveball. Man, I woke up and I had an unexpected accident. As you guys can see, I broke my tooth. I need to go get this repaired, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to the dentist and I'm gonna get this bad boy repaired, but let me tell you, that's gonna be pretty expensive because, you know, insurance doesn't handle cosmetics. So I went with my good credit, and what did I do? I said, you know what? I need a 0% interest rate credit card. And that's what I did. So the guys see right here, when they ran my credit, whoo, I was like, man, my credit's a 836. That's only like 14 points off of having perfect credit of 850. I'll be honest, I knew my credit was decent because I've been out buying things for the last 2 months. You know, I was in the hospital for a bit, and I came out of the hospital and I was like, you know what? I'm about to do some living. I'm about to, buy, do whatever, because you can't take none of this with you when you go. Life will throw you a curveball. And when it does, you have to be prepared. So, we got the credit repair going right now. You guys can get a free consultation because I'd hate for you to end up in my position and not have the credit you need, or you have to go into your pockets. You already know how that goes, man. Sometimes we don't have the extra money to go spend $3,000, $4,000 to repair a tooth. You'll be walking around looking like Alfred E. Newman. Yeah, I look like Alfred E. Newman right now with that. Man. And I broke this like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just now being able to get into the dentist to be able to get this done. Okay, guys, I'm on my way. I'm in the truck. I'm about to go over here to the dentist to see if they can repair my tooth. But while you're still here, go ahead down in the description. I have 2 links down there. One for credit repair. So if you'd like a free consultation or you'd like credit repair, go ahead and click the link or text the number that's down there. And the other link is for credit funding. Now, you guys know what credit funding, that is the process of getting funding, whether that's through credit cards, lines of credit, or what have you. But yes, go ahead and check those links out, and also go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'm about to head over here to this dentist appointment. I'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so I'm here at the dentist office, and yeah, I'm about to get this done. Let's see if this works. Okay, I'm fresh up out the chair. It's been several hours, but they did a fabulous job. And I am just so happy that I was in a position to be able to make some things happen. So you guys saw what my credit was, 836. I got a little bit of credit funding to pay for it, and hopefully you will be in the same position. Issues pop up in your life, such as car repairs, taxes, insurance, what have you, a broken tooth. Hopefully you're in a position also. If your credit is not up to par, you can go down in the description, get the free consultation. Let us tell you what we can do to repair your credit and get you to where I am at. I mean, it is not hard to get here to the 800 Club. Not hard at all. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.